Hello dear students, today I, the facilitator from the Millennium School, is going to discuss with you all the topic the respiratory and circulatory system. Before starting this topic, let us refresh ourselves with this small activity. You all have to stand on your place and you have to do 10 jumping jacks. As it is shown in the figure, while jumping, take care that your hands will touch each other above your head, and again you have to come back on your original position. So you have to do 10 jumping jacks. I am going to count for you. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. So today we are going to discuss about the difficult words of the chapter, the respiratory and circulatory system. As we know that it is quite important for us to know the meaning of new words so that it will become easy for us to understand the chapter well. So the word is organ, means a part of an organism which is typically self-contained and has a specific function. For example, human is having a brain. Brain is responsible for intelligence and control our sense organs. So that is specific function of our brain only. Next we are having system. A set of things working together as parts of a mechanism or an interconnecting network is known as system. For example, we are having circulatory system, respiratory system. Circulatory system includes our heart, our arteries, veins and blood. So system is a interconnecting network, or it is set of things working together. Respiratory. The respiratory system is what allows us to breathe and exchange carbon dioxide to oxygen. Circulatory. The system that circulates blood and lymph through the body with the help of heart, arteries, veins and capillaries, that is known as circulatory system. Circulatory system is responsible for giving important nutrients and oxygen to all the cells, and it also removes waste from the cells with the help of the excretory system. Trachea. Trachea or windpipe is a wide, hollow tube that connects the larynx, or we can say voice box, to the bronchi of the lungs. As you can see in the figure, the larynx and bronchi are connected with each other with the help of trachea, or we can say windpipe, which is covered with cartilage rings. These cartilage rings protect it from injuries and from getting collapsed. Diaphragm. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped muscle. It plays a major role in breathing. Diaphragm is able to move downward and upward, and due to the movement of diaphragm, we are able to inhale and exhale. Voice box. The voice box, or it is also known as larynx, is the portion of respiratory tract containing the vocal cords which produce sound. Without voice box, we can't be able to speak. Inhale means to breathe in. Intake of gases is known as inhalation. Exhale means breathe out. Remove of unwanted gases is exhale. Stomata. Stomata are actually tiny opening or pores that is used for gas exchange. They are mostly found on the under surface of the plant, as you can see in this picture. If the stomata is open, it is responsible for exchanging gas also, and it is able to remove excess of water from it also. Artery. The arteries are the blood vessels that deliver oxygen rich blood from the heart to the tissues of the body. Veins, blood vessels which carry deoxygenated, or we can say impure blood from body to heart so that it will get purified again. Capillary. They are the smallest blood vessels in the body. They can convey blood between the arterioles and venules. Arteries are shown here in red color and they are carrying pure blood from heart, and veins are shown in blue color. They are responsible for collecting impure blood from all body parts, and they will send that impure blood to heart to get it purified again. And capillaries are interlinking between arterioles and venules. Blood. Fluid that transport oxygen and nutrients to the cell and carries away carbon dioxide and other waste products. It is red in color. Pulse. Pulse is actually our heart rate. The beating rate of our heart can be examined by examining our pulse only. Stethoscope. It is an instrument which is used by doctors to listen to the sounds made by our hearts, lungs, arteries, veins for examination of patient. The human body, a complex machine. Our body is like a wonderful machine. It does hundreds of jobs at a time. Our body collectively work to perform functions. In order to get everything done on time, it has to use a system. The human body uses many systems that work side by side. So, a collection of organs working together to perform any one function like respiration, circulation is called a system. Let's recall the chapter in Things to Remember. Organ. Organ is a specialized group of cells which is having specific function. System. When all the organs will join together to carry out one function properly is known as system. Respiratory. Inhalation and exhalation of gases is known as respiration. Circulatory. Circulatory system carries important nutrients with the help of blood to cells and collect waste from cells so that it will get removed from your body. Trachea or windpipe, which is a connection between your larynx and bronchioles. Diaphragm is a muscular part which is able to expand and contract and helps in respiration. Voice box. It is also known as larynx, which is responsible for the voice which we are producing. It is having vocal cords. Inhale to breathe in, exhale, breathe out. Stomata. Tiny openings under the leaf for exchange of gases and to remove excess of water in the form of water vapors. Arteries. The blood vessels which will carry pure blood from heart to all body parts. Veins. The blood vessels which will carry deoxygenated blood from all body parts to heart. Capillary. The interlinking between arterioles and venules. Blood. It is a fluid which is in red color and responsible for circulatory system. It works as a transportation medium between cells. Pulse. Heart rate of human being. Stethoscope. An instrument used by doctors to listen heartbeat or lungs. The human body is a complex machine because in human body we are having different organ systems which will work together to make the functioning of our body smooth. So your IP is draw a well labeled diagram or respiratory system. You have to draw nose, mouth, trachea, lungs and diaphragm. You have to draw it on your notebook, and in next session we are going to discuss about the respiratory system in detail. Thank you. Have a nice day.